5 of our stay home notice today and we are changing hotel. A taxi was arranged and there was a cost of 45 Singapore dollars to pay to the driver at the end of the trip. We did offer our help to take care of our luggage ourselves, but they insisted that we stay in the car. As for any place you visit in Singapore, and before anything else, you're thirst screened for your temperature. So here, there is no exception. Okay. And we proceeded to check in by providing a passport and IC card. You can tell that they are very familiar with receiving people for stay home notice because the check-in was very quick and there were even bikes and dumbbells for rental. And in addition to having food options, you can actually view the menu for the 3 upcoming days and pre-order what you want to eat. We are following the receptionist to our room, which we just checked in about 20 minutes, where he explained all the things to us. Look at all the bikes. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Gymnastic floor. Yep. Okay. Got it.
And this is something I've never seen before, which is a safe inside the drawer. So this is the entrance area. Then this is the bathroom. We even have a bathtub. And a large mirror. And we have the iron board, the iron and the coffee machine, kettle. Us with a box of water bottles, so they don't need to bring us the bottle every day. This is the fridge, and we also have that little cupboard where we can put our cups. Nico is excited because they have provided us with wine glasses and plenty of water, tea bags, coffee, sugar, coffee pods. And we even have a corner with a dining table this time. Or bed. We even have a balcony where we can enjoy this stunning view of Singapore. Just look at this. And this is where we're going to spend the rest of our stay home notice. I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!